Good day. My name is Tony Shropshire, and this here is Rufus from the Tony and Rufus Real Estate Team right here in beautiful Brentwood, California, and we're here with your Contra Costa County News Update of the Week. If you own a house, you're going to want insurance to protect it. But in a claim filing situation, the question often comes up, who gets the money, you or your lender? Well, if you paid cash for the house, obviously it would be you that would receive the check. But if you have a loan and the house is located in the state of California, well, you have what we call a deed of trust that spells out what happens to the check in the event of an insurance claim. You need to know how the insurance company is going to interpret your rights to the money under the deed of trust so you can understand how to move forward with the repairs. Your lender will require proof that the work was done before they will allow the insurance company to release the money. Now, if it is a big job, the lender will allow draws to be paid directly to the contractor. The contractor who works on insurance claims are used to this situation, so don't think you're going to have a tough time finding someone to agree to monthly payments under the insurance terms. Another home insurance subject that I think is worthy of speaking of is the liability section of the home insurance. I think it's important for you to understand that the money does not cover the property owner's loss of work or medical expenses if the owner was hurt by their own actions on the property. Like the owner goes up on the roof and falls off. That owner would have no coverage under most policies, but the owner sends their in-laws up on top of the roof to fix the antenna and they fall off the roof. That's the exception. The in-laws would be covered under most homeowners' policies. But if through the investigation of the in-laws' conduct with the property, if they determined that the in-laws were co-signers on the note, or if the in-laws lived in the house, then that possibly could cause a claim denial. The payout rules on liability insurance can be a slippery slope, so work with caution when filing a claim. This is also true with real estate purchases and loans, which is where I come in. If you have questions regarding your credit scores, current mortgage, or perhaps need to just visit removing your mortgage insurance, give me a call and let me put my experience to work for you. I also have a complimentary free theft early detection program, so we may be able to catch some of the credit issues before they become a statistic on your credit report. Give me a call or shoot me a quick email, and let's get rid of any confusion you may have about your real estate needs. I look forward to hearing from you when you call in, and me and Rufus here want to thank you for joining us today on the Weekly Tip of the Week. Good day.